Hello, my name is Kachar Janvi, roll number 108. I am a student of SD Jain International College and my subject is Corporate Accounting and my topic about capital efficiency. When the liquidator sells an all assets, he places a debit and returns the share capital, but he does not have enough money to make the payment to all parties in full. The difference called it capital efficiency. If any equity shares are partly paid, when the amount to be called on these shares will be calculated on the basis of such capital deficiency. The capital deficiency is calculated as following state. First, when money on hand is not enough to make payment to unsecured creditors. 2. When all debits are paid in full but money is not enough to return the preferential capital. Third, when full payment is made to preference shareholders but money left is not enough for payment of paid up equity share capital in full. For example, after making payment to preferential and unsecured creditors, the amount left is 2,23,264. There are not enough cash to pay preferential and equity share, and it is given there is 1 year divided on preferential also to be paid. There is 2,500 8% preferentials of rupees 100 fully paid rupees 2,05,000 and 1,000 A equity shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 80 paid up share 80,000. 2,000 B equity shares of 100 rupees each, 40 rupees paid up share 80,000. Calculation of capital deficiency, it is equal to amount to be paid minus available amount. Available amount is 2,23,264. Amount to be paid 8% preference share is 2,50,000 plus add 1 year dividend 20,000 is equal to 2,70,000. Also plus A equity shares 80,000 plus B equity share 80,000, that we get 4,30,000. Available balance is 2,23,264. Capital deficiency is equal to 4,30,000 minus 2,23,264 is equal to 2,06,736. When deficiency per share is equal to capital deficiency divided by total numbers of shares. A equity share, that is 1,000 plus B equity share, that is 2,000. So we get total is 3,000. 2,06,736 divided by 3,000, we get 68.912 per share, and this is particular paid and deficiency per share is being called written A minus B. So A equity shares is 80,000 and capital deficiency per 68,912. So we get 11,088. Same B. A share is equal to 68,912 and B share 1,37,824. Then by making this entry is in account, there will be no balance left. So thank you for the watching my video.